iPhone shutting off with battery remaining? No problem. In this video, we'll show you how to fix it in no time. Method 1. Check battery health. Go to Settings and select the Battery tab. Find and choose the Battery Health option under the Battery page. Then you can check the maximum capacity. If the maximum capacity is below 60%, it's time to get a new one. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. A force restart helps refresh the iPhone system and clear minor glitches that may be causing iPhone to shut down with battery left. This method is quick and effective in resolving temporary software issues. Method 3. Clear running apps. Access the background app screen by swiping up from the bottom left of the screen. Clear all running apps by swiping them up to lessen the iPhone's running load. Method 4. Free up iPhone storage. Go to Settings. Then navigate to General greater than iPhone storage. Enable the Offload Unused Apps feature to automatically optimize iPhone storage. You can also scroll down to manage specific apps and free up storage. Method 5. Update iOS version. Enter Settings, then General, and choose Software Update. If your iPhone needs to be updated, you will see the latest iOS version here. Press the Update Now button to update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Method 6. Repair iOS issues. MagFone iOS System Recovery offers a reliable and efficient solution to repair your iPhone system and resolve common software problems causing random shutdowns. You can download it from the MagFone official website and then launch it on your PC. The first step is to link your iPhone and your computer using a USB. On the main page of that program, pick iOS System Repair and click Start to move on. If you want to preserve your data, select Standard Mode to fix the issue. After that, click the Download button to download the necessary firmware package onto your computer. After the firmware package is downloaded, click Start Standard Repair to initiate the fix. Once the repair is completed, your iPhone shutdown issue will be fixed.